see, you will get a spacious living and dining room where you can. As we can see in the kitchen, you will get one granite platform. This is a master bedroom which is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll do the sample flat tour of the residential project Swastik Iris located in Bhandup West by Swastik Group. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right outside the sales office that is located bang on LBS Road, Bhandup West. We will get into the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project will be spread across the land parcel of 0.6 acres, which will have one tower but two wings, Wing A and Wing B, with ground plus 22 stories, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residences. Talking about the amenities, this project has 15 plus amenities, having a gym, a seating area. It also has a kids play area. It has indoor games, sky dining with barbecue corner and many more. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on LBS Road opposite Asian Paints Bhandup West. As you can see, this is the main road and the neighborhood of this project. About the connectivity, upcoming Goregaon-Mulund Link Road is only 2 to 3 minutes drive. Sonapur and Shangri-La Metro Station is only at a distance of 200 meters. Bhandup Railway Station and Nahur Railway Station with a 10 minutes drive. JVLR and Eastern Express Highway within 10 to 12 minutes drive. School, colleges, hospitals and malls within 5 to 15 minutes drive from the project. If you want to know about more projects in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of our project. So now we are standing outside the 2 BHK of the residential project Swastik Iris. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 671 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you can see you will get a foyer area where easily two people can enter at the same time. Your kitchen is just right from the entrance that gives your living area full privacy. As we can see in the kitchen, you will get one granite platform, opposite to which you have space to place your refrigerator and build some units. In the kitchen, you will get full French windows with a dryer balcony where you can place your washing machine. Moving forward to the living and dining area, as you can see, you will get a spacious living and dining room where you can place your dining table, your sofa, your center table and customize your TV unit as per your choice. In the living room, you will also get full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, chairs and enjoy tea time with your family. Moving forward, as we move forward, you can see you will get an aisle area that separates your two bedrooms and your common washroom. On the right side, we have a common washroom which is very spacious that comes with anti-skid tiles and wall-to-wall high-end wall fittings. Moving to our first bedroom, this is a first bedroom where you can place your king queen size bed along with the side tables. You can customize your TV corner, makeup corner or your study corner as per your choice. In this bedroom, you will get full French windows with a chhajja. Right over here, we have a wardrobe space which is tall enough if you want to install lofts, or you can also customize your makeup corner over here. Before moving forward, I would like to tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let me show you our master bedroom. As we enter, this is a master bedroom which is very spacious to place your king size bed along with the side table. Over here, you can customize your makeup corner or your study corner, and this bedroom also comes with full French windows and a chhaja. Over here, we have a wardrobe space provided, which is also tall enough if you want to install lofts. This is the attached washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and wall-to-wall high-end fittings. So this was the 2 BHK tour of our project. If you want to download the e-brochure of this project, you can do it by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Before going, I would like to ask you just one question. Have you purchased properties in this location? If yes, then do let us know your views in the comments below, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.